Hi everyone, welcome to Elevate Mindset with another video. Hope you are enjoying. Like and subscribe for more video. Thank you. There comes a point in life when everything you thought you were starts to crumble. You stop recognizing the person in the mirror. You look at your own reflection and think, when did I lose myself? The sound of a heartbeat echoes softly. The lights flicker as memories flash. Betrayal, failure, loss. Maybe it was the day they walked away. Maybe it was the day you gave up on your dream. Or maybe it was 1,000 small choices that made you settle for less than you were meant to be. But here you are, broken, tired, lost. You start to realize that the world doesn't stop when you fall apart. No one pauses for your pain. They keep moving while you're stuck in the wreckage of your own making. He leans back, closes his eyes. Silence. And it hurts. Not because they forgot you, but because deep down, you forgot yourself. You lost the fire. You lost the hunger. You lost the fight. But somewhere under the noise, under the pain, there's still something left. A whisper, a flicker, that small voice inside that refuses to die. The voice that says, this is not where it ends. The man exhales, deeply, his eyes narrow. That whisper becomes a spark. And that spark, if you feed it, will burn through every lie that ever told you to give up. The hardest part isn't the climb. It's the first step, because that's the one you take without momentum, without applause, without knowing if it'll even work. It's just you and faith, nothing else. He starts running, slowly at first, then faster. His breath forms clouds in the cold. That's where comebacks are born. Not in comfort, not in noise, but in silence, when nobody believes and you choose to move anyway. Your body will scream. Your mind will beg you to stop. The pain will tell you this is pointless. But pain is the tax you pay for transformation. He collapses on the ground, gasping for air, but he's smiling. This is where weakness dies. This is where average ends. This is where the old you starts to burn away, and the new you starts to rise. People won't understand this part. They'll think you've changed, and you have, because isolation isn't loneliness. It's construction. He scribbles in a notebook, discipline, consistency, focus. You don't rebuild your life around noise. You do it in solitude, one choice at a time, one day at a time, one promise at a time. You realize success isn't some secret formula. It's repetition. It's doing what others won't every single day. While they're sleeping, you're working. While they're talking, you're moving. Camera zooms in on his face. Calm, sharp, alive again. This is what coming back looks like. No shortcuts. No luck. Just pure, unfiltered, unstoppable effort. Even now, the old thoughts will try to creep in. The doubts, the fears, the whispers saying, you're not enough. He looks up, eyes fierce. But now, you know better. You've been through hell. You've seen the worst. You didn't come this far to fold now. You're not fragile anymore. You're forged. The world starts to notice. The same people who ignored you start to ask how you did it. But they'll never understand, because they didn't see the struggle. They didn't see the night you almost quit. He walks through a crowd, eyes up, confident. You don't need their validation anymore, because the comeback wasn't for them. It was for you. They thought you were done. They counted you out. They laughed when you fell. But they forgot one thing. You're built different. He opens his eyes, calm, unbroken. You fell. You learned. You rebuilt. And now, you're back. He turns and walks toward the light.